The next station is
welcome to Gold Class of the Metro. We are in the Gold Class cabin and it is my first time, so just enjoying it. And let me just show you what it looks like inside. There's actually not much of a difference compared to the normal cabin, except that of course, here is not too crowded, seats are all leather, and because of this, yes, you have to pay for those convenience you are gonna get. So in this vlog, I really did not intend to make this a content, but just for the sake of remembering it, even if my certificate gets expired. Most of us, I can say including myself, don't really know even the basics. So this training will give benefits not only to me or to my company, but who knows, even you who have watched this video. We were basically asked to do a practical exam right after our 2-hour training.
Look at here. Can you see the holes here? Can you see the holes?
Yes.
So during operation, look at here. Don't cover from here. You have to hold from here. Okay, hold it. Take it in hand.
First point to consider, before using the fire extinguisher, please do a test if it works or not. Let me share with you this learning. Enjoy watching!
Don't shoot the flame. Just pay your attention.
Oh no!
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Next, please. Ready. Finish हो गया बाबा. ये ले आओ दूसरा वाला. You can go. Good. Done. Very good. Very good.
Very strong, I mean.
आइए.
Changes.
Full press.
And we are done with the firefighting training. I'm also heading home. Thank you, Lord.